Hello everyone, today we're going to be calculating the volume of a prism. So our objectives for the day are to understand the formula to calculate the volume of a prism, apply the formula to calculate the volume of a prism, and to evaluate the volume of a cylinder using knowledge of circles. So before we begin, first off we need to know what is a prism. So in your book I'd like you to write a subheading of what is a prism. So a prism is a 3D shape that has a constant cross section. Okay, so these shapes here are called prisms. We have a triangular prism, a cube, and then a cuboid. We also have a cylinder. Each of these are prisms. So to find the volume of these prisms, we have to work out the area of the face and then times it by the length, because these have the same face going all the way through. Okay, it's got the same cross section. We call the face the cross section. So here is the face. So we're going to work out the volume of the prism and times it by the area of the cross section, and times it by the length. This is going to get us the volume of our prism. So I'd like you to copy the formula down into your books. I'm going to move on to your bronze example. So here is your bronze example. Make sure you've got this copied down. Pause the video here to allow the students time to copy it down. So to calculate the volume of the shape below, we need to work out the area of the cross section. Thankfully for us, the area of this cross section has been given to us, so we just have to then times it by our length. So remember, volume equals area times length. So here, the calculation we're going to need is 23 times by 9, giving us 207 centimetres cubed. On to our silver example. Here we have to work out the area of our face. The area here is is a triangle, so we need to work out the area of the triangle first. So the area of a triangle is equal to the base times the height divided by 2. So we are going to do 6 times 3 divided by 2, which is equal to 9. So the area of our triangle equals 9. And we now need to find the volume. So the volume is equal to 9 times by our length, which is 10. So our volume is equal to 90 centimetres cubed. Pause the video to allow the students time to copy it down. Otherwise, I'm going to move on to your trial questions. So, here are your trial questions. Make sure you've got them copied down. Show you working out. Allow the students 5 or so minutes to have a go at these questions. Pause the video. I'm going to show you your answers now. So, the answer to your questions are coming up on the screen. So for the first one, you've got 165 centimetres cubed. For the second one, 260 centimetres cubed. Make sure you correct that in green pen if you got it wrong. Moving on to our gold example then. So here we have to calculate the volume of the cylinder. Again, this is just a prism, but it involves circles. So we have to know how to find the area of a circle. So this circle goes all the way through the shape. So the area of a circle is equal to pi r squared. So we need to calculate the area of this circle. So the area of this circle is equal to 3 squared times pi. So it's equal to 9 pi or 28.27 centimetres squared. So that's the area of the cross section. To find the volume then, we are then going to times this area by the length. So the length is 6. So you're depending on whether you're leaving it in terms of pi or to 2 decimal places, we'll do both. So 9 pi times 6 is equal to 54 pi centimetres cubed, or we're doing 28.27 times 6, which is equal to 169.6 centimetres cubed. Rounding that to 2 decimal places, 169.65 centimetres cubed. Okay. So you find the area of the circle and times it by the length. Okay. Go on to your questions. So your bronze questions. You've been given the area. You need to times it by the length to work out the volume. Here you need to work out the area and then times it by the length to work out the volume. And then your gold, you're working with cylinders. So you've also got a platinum for if you finish the bronze, silver and gold. I'm going to put the answers on the screen, so you can either have the answers up throughout the lesson so the students can check as they go, or put them on towards the end. Now there are exam questions to do after you've marked your answers, so I'm going to put the answers on now for you to check. So bronze, silver, gold, platinum. Again, correct it in green pen if you got it wrong. Pause the video to make sure everyone's had a chance to copy their answers. And now I'm going to go on to the exam questions. So either working in pairs or by yourself, I would like you to have a go at this exam question. So it says, a diagram shows a cylinder. The radius of the base is 8, the height is 15, work out the volume. And then for B, it's got 100 centimetres cubed is equal to 1 litre. A tank contains this amount of water. The tank leaks at this rate. How long does it take for the tank to empty? So have a go at those questions. The answers are going to come up on the screen in a second. Let's pause the video to allow the students a chance to have a go. So here are the answers. Your second exam question. So a triangle is the cross-section of a triangular prism with a length of 10 centimetres. Ali writes the volume is equal to 9 times 5 times 10, so the volume is 450 centimetres. Check his working and write the correct solution. Okay, so again, pause the video to allow the students a chance to do it. You can either work by yourselves or in pairs. Your answer is coming up now. So here is your answer. Well done everyone, that's it for today, so make sure you pack away tidy.